In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add most moving average screener in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're on any chart where you want to use this tool. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you're on the main chart screen and you can see the price candles in front of you. On the top of the chart, you'll see the main toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is the section where you can add all kinds of technical tools and custom scripts to your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do that, a new window or panel will pop up over your chart. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where we're going to look for the most moving average screener. Click once inside that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Take a second to make sure you're in the right place because TradingView has a lot of options and using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need. Now start typing most moving average screener into the search field. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter through its built-in scripts and community scripts to show you anything that matches what you've entered. Once you see most moving average screener appear in the results list, click on it. As soon as you select it, the screener will be added directly to your chart. You should now see the screener either overlaid on the chart or appear in a separate panel below, depending on how it's designed. Take a moment to check that it's visible and that it loaded correctly. If nothing shows up, just make sure you spelled the name correctly in the search box and that your internet connection is stable. Then try adding it again. If you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more tools, better data, and a smoother overall experience, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. That link will take you straight to the TradingView Pro sign-up page, and it's a simple way to support the channel while getting access to the features you see me using here. And that's all you need to do. You've now successfully added the most moving average screener in TradingView Pro, and you're ready to start using it in your analysis.